If you want to add an event to calendar on CMF Phone or 2 Pro, first of all we need to go to the calendar, so you can find it, for example, in the app drawer. After that, you should be able to press this plus button over here in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose event. Now here, just fill everything in. You can set up the title. You can choose whether the event should last the whole day or just a specific period of time. So you can tap over here in order to choose when it starts and when it ends. And of course you can also pick the date as well. Besides that, we also have the time zone, whether the event should repeat or not. We can also add other people. We have the video conferencing option. We can add location. We can manage notifications, so you can decide when you want to be informed before the event starts. We can also choose the color, add a description, and attach Google Drive files. And then once you set everything up, just press save over here in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!